Today really I am very happy to participate in this Expo Summit of 2014. Really, first of all, dear foreign delegates, Indian delegates and other participants, welcome to India, welcome to Telangana, welcome to Hyderabad. It is with the pleasure and sense of privilege I take the opportunity of delivering this address at this inaugural function of Indo-Global Education Expo Summit of 2014. Earth's greatest treasure lies in its human beings, and the strength of a nation is its people. It is people that build or break institutions and societies. The country's growth is directly proportional to the developments of its human resource. We should always lay emphasis on education because lack of education is the root cause of all social evils and social economic maladies. Hunger, disease, ignorance and violence are the offsprings of illiteracy. If we give education to people, they can earn the rest. The quality of country depends on the quality of its people. Obviously, the quality of people depends on the quality of education that is imparted in schools, colleges and universities. Education is not only meant for children and youth, but also for all sections of the society. Education and training is an investment in the human resource, and return on investments is substantial and long lasting. Historians say that India was the destination of the navigators, philosophers and travelers in the past. Even today it is so. It has a history of more than 3,000 years. Great philosophers of the world visited and stayed in Takshashila, Nalanda for higher learning. America, UK and other Western countries are the oldest democracies in the world, and India is the largest democracy. India and the West are great seats of education. If India is the abode of ancient universities like Takshashila and Nalanda, America and West are the seats of modern universities like Harvard, Stanford, Berkeley, Oxford and Cambridge. Education grows only when it is shared. Indian universities and colleges have to learn from the Western universities and vice versa. Indo-Global Education Expo and Summit 2014 is an event where the East is meeting the West for promoting the educational standards.